Good morning, children. So everyone are doing well, your homeworks and everything. Okay, so again we will continue our class. We are in the chapter 1 recap. So in that recap, revision of numbers, writing words, writing figures, writing standard form and writing expanded form. These all the 4 sections are completed. Okay, and not only that, comparisons also completed, isn't it? So now today I am going to explain arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, first let me explain about ascending order. Ascending order. So ascending order, so many of you will get it. Ascending order means how to write from 1 to 10 or 10 to 1. It means big number to small number or small number to big number. Okay, so today I will tell you one small technique. What is that means? Listen carefully everyone. Look at the board. What is the first letter children here? A. Yes or no? So write A after, then B, C, D, E. Like that you will be continuing the letters. Okay, so A is the starting number, starting letter. So like that only we will start numbers from 1, 2, next 3, 4, 5. So first what number we wrote here? Small number. Then we are writing big numbers. Yes or no? So small to big. Small to big number will be called ascending order. Okay? Ascending order means from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. From small number to big number arranging in order will be called as an ascending order. So don't forget children, A, B, C, D. How will we start? From small number to big letters like that only. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to remember. Okay, A is the starting letter now. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that also starting numbers will be no. So like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you are writing means that will be called as a small number to big number. Okay, that will be comes under the ascending order. See, while you are climbing upstairs. Okay, so first what you will do? Directly from up to down will not come, no. From down to up will be step. Yes or no? We will go to the upstairs like that only, going to the down to up. It means small number to big number will be arranging the small number to big number will be called as an ascending order. Okay, arranging numbers from small number to big number. Okay, now based on this ascending order, I am going to give some examples. Look at the board. See, first I am writing 2-digit numbers. Okay, look at the board. 65, 84, 12, 36. Like that 4 numbers are there. How many digits are there children in this? Tell me. I explain you know. 1, 2. 2 digits are there. Like that how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. What are they? 65, 84, 12 and 36. Now A, O. It means ascending order. Now tell me which is the small number. For that what you have to do means underline the first number, first digit in all numbers. Okay, what you have to do? From left hand side children, from left hand side direction, underline the first digit. Okay, if you underline the first digit, here 6 is there, here 8, then 1, then 3. Okay, now tell me 6, 8, 1, 3. In these 4 numbers, which is the small number? Yes, 1 is the small number. But 1 together what is there? 12. So write 12 first and put the comma. Okay, so after writing 12, put a tick mark above the number. Next, now check it. Here 6 is there. Next 8, next 3. So 6, 8, 3. In these 3 numbers, which is the small number? 6, 8, 3. Which is the small number, children? Yes, 3 is the small number. Okay, so 3, 6, 36, right? And put comma. Next, in these 2 digits, in this 2 number, one is 6 and one is 8. In this 2, which is the small number? Tell me which is the small number? Yes, 6 is the small number. Okay, so 6, 5, 65. Next digit is 6, 5, 65. And last, what is left over? Big number? 8. 8, 4, 84. Okay, now all 2 digits are there in the number. So we have written like this. If 3 digits are there, 3 digits and 2 digits together give how to compare the numbers and how to write the numbers in ascending order. Look at the board. Okay, now 435, 678, 96, 334. Okay, now A, O, ascending order. Like that, each number, how many digits are this name? Count 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there in the first number. Next also 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Next what is there? 1, 2 digits. And then 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Now count the, after comparing these 3, in which number 2 digits are there? Yes, 96, 96 now. So this 96, 96 small number compared to these 3 digits. Okay, so write 96, 96 first. 2 digit number first. After that, in all 3 digits, underline the first number. Okay, underline the first number. Now compare that first numbers from right side corner. Here 4 is there. Next, yes, 6 is there. Next, 3 is there. Now this 4, 6, 3, which is the small number, children? Yes, 3 is the small number. So what is that number that we have to write? 334. Put comma, tick mark. Next, now 4 and 6 in these 2 digits. Okay, 4 and 6 in these 2 digits. Which is the smallest number here? Yes, 4 is the smallest number. So write 4, 3, 5. Put tick mark. Next, last, what number is left over here? Yes, 678. That 678 have to write. It means what, how, which order we are writing now? Ascending order. Which order we are writing? Ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Ascending order means small number to big number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that order will be, no, that will be called as an ascending order. Now I am going to explain how to write descending order. Okay, descending order. So now ascending order you listen now. Descending order means opposite of ascending order. It means from big number to small number. From big number to small number. Big to small. Coming from up to down. Okay? Coming from up to down. It means 10. Next 9, 8, 7 like that till 1. It means from big number to small number. If you are writing the order, that will be called descending. Descending order. Okay? In descending order, the numbers will be right. First number will be written the big number. After that, small numbers will be continued. Okay? Now listen carefully. Again comparison between the two digits. Okay, now look at the board. 36, 95, 73, 49. Okay, look at the board. Listen carefully, children. What is that number? These are the numbers. Read along with me. 36. Next. Yes. 95. Next. 73. Then 49. Okay. Now D-O. It means descending. Descending order. Descending order. Okay. Descending order means big number to small number. Okay, big number to small number, big to small. Now, underline the first digits of given number. Okay, underline the first digits of given number. Now, compare in these numbers which is the big number. Big number. 3, 9, 7, 4. In this all, which is the big number, children? 3, 9, 7, 4. Tell me which is the big number here? Yes, 9 is the big number. So, for that what will be called 9 after? 95 is a no. So, put the tick mark over there and write 95, 95 in the order. Okay, so 95 completed. Now, compare the remaining 3. In this 3, 7, 4. So, which is the big number next? Yes, 7 is the big number. Okay, put tick mark and write 73, 73. Okay, now next. Here 3 and 4 is there. In this 3, out of 3 and 4, which is the big number? 4 is the big number. Very good. 4, 9, 49. Put tick mark. And last, what is left over? 3, 6, 36. Okay, so like this, 2-digit numbers can be written in as a descending order. Now we can write, I am writing now 3 digits number, children. Okay, 3 digits and 2 digits together I am writing. Look at the board. 235, 464, 89, 43. Okay, like that 3-digit numbers and 2-digit number together is it. Now which order we are writing? Descending order. Descending order means big number to small number, coming from up to down. Okay, now big number to small number. First, big number, no, it means 3 digits are the big numbers. Okay, so in these 3 digits, underline the first number. Okay, here 2, 3, 5, 3 digits are there, 4, 6, 4, 3 digits are there. Now, in this 2 numbers, 2 and 4 I underline. Now, tell me which is the big number. See this 2 and 4, tell me which is the big number, children? Yes, 4 is the big number. So, 464, put comma, completed. Now, next what is left over? Yes, 235. Now, these two are 2-digit numbers. In this, underline the first number. Okay, underline the first number. Tell me now, which is the big number, 8 or 4? Tell me which is the big number, children? Yes, 8 is the big number. 8, 9, 89. Then 4, 3, 43. Like that, big number to small number. I have to write, this will be called as a descending order. Okay, children, based on this, in textbook page number 47, you will be have, look at here, textbook page number 6 and 7 Romans. These two Romans, first 6th Roman write in ascending order, it means small to big, and 7th Roman write in descending order, it means big to small. So these two today you are having homework. Okay, in the next class we will continue the next section. Okay children.